So, hi, hi, how are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great, and thank you so much for asking. And I am so glad to having this conversation with you.
Yeah, me too. So let's start. So tell me, how's your life teaching nowadays? How is everything is going on?
Everything is as usual, as per my expectation. Life is treating me, yes, but no one knows, right? Because about our life. So, yeah, I'm always ready, good to go for that situation if
Oh,
I find any kind of situation, then I'm always good to go, right?
good to hear that.
And
Oh,
what about you? How life is treating you?
yeah, everything is going smoothly. There's no complaining, I would say. And nowadays, I'm so excited, very well because of Navratri is going on. So we all have full of excitement to do some kinds of preparations, right? Doing
so do you
worshipping.
do you observe fast on account of Navratri?
No, no, no. I'm not putting fast, but
Okay.
yeah, but
So how do you celebrate?
mhm.
How do you celebrate Navratri? Means especially this Navratri because there is two Navratri,
Mhm.
Navratri, right?
Yes,
So yeah. So, do you also celebrate this Navratra as you are celebrating that one?
yeah. I also celebrate this Navratri like as a festival, I would say.
Mhm.
Yeah, because in my place you can say some kinds of ceremony and some kinds of organizations, has been held out to the community member on particular place, so where you can go and see fair. In that fair, many people coming and enjoying, right? So this
Yes.
way I'm celebrating. Yeah, you can.
Mhm. Good to know. Like you are celebrating, yes, you are also, I think, taking part on. You would be a part of that celebration, right?
Yes, you're right. So yeah, tell me about today's plan.
Yes. 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 Today I'm thinking we should practice, some expression that is related to eyes, right?
Hmm.
There is,
Okay.
lots of, like idioms, phrases, and that is related to our body part, right? So
Okay.
I have few, you can say, expression related to eye. So today we
Mm.
will, like, we practice this one so that
Yes, you're.
we learn something productive, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Okay.
you're.
Mm. So my first like expression is catch someone's attention. If you know, then you can give try to give answer. Otherwise, I will tell you. Right?
Mm. Okay. Catch someone attention towards me.
Yes, we can say to attract someone's like attention. Right?
Hmm. So
Yeah.
we can say, yeah, we can say some
Right.
relevant answers
Yeah.
like we are being influenced.
Yeah. We can take one example. Right? Like we can say that beautiful dress in the store gallery caught my eyes, right? Caught my eyes.
I yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
And the second one is keep an eye on. I think you know about
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. Like grazing your eyes on something else.
Hmm. We can say to watch and take care something and someone, right?
Hmm. Yes. Yeah, we can say we are the keep on our eye on somebody activities.
Right. Somebody and or something, we can say.
Yes,
So give one example.
relate to this now. Okay,
Relate
so
this expression.
yeah, yeah, like I have been keeping my eye on my neighborhood. Okay, for a long time.
Yes, right, right. Like examples. And also we can say, mm, uh, can you keep eyes on my bag while I go to the washroom? Right.
Yes, nice.
Yeah. Or also we can say, like I always keep an eye on my, children's behavior or
Yeah,
children activity. Right.
yeah. We can say
Yes,
to teachers, please keep on your eye on my kids' behavior and activities.
yes. Yes. There are so many, like examples, and we can use according to our situation. Right.
Yes, yes. So let's talk something else. So that could be come in a flow, right? We
Yes.
can see many examples related to this matter, but it will be looking little boring, right? Very slowly. It's a
O-
gradual process, I would say, but we have to discuss something else so we can come in flow, right? In a flow way.
Okay.
So, so talking about any topic like a very common topic, so it would be very convenient, right?
Okay. You just
Hmm.
tell. Do you have?
So, yeah, yeah, I'm thinking. You also think. Mm, let's see.
Okay.
Let's talk about a smile. How it works on human life. A smile.
Smile.
A smile. A smile.
Yes, yes. I got your point. Smile. Yes.
How it
But
works.
would you like
Nice topic.
to give some insight first?
Okay. Actually, a smile it works very nicely when you are stuck in a very unpredictable situation where you are going to have lots of problems. So coming a smile over your face, it will help you to overcome your anxiety. It will help you to change your mood instead, and it will help you to distract from your actual issues of life, really. And if you are being existence in a group in a group, so this smile will help you to immerse with all of them easily,
Mhm.
right? If you are buying any product in the market, so this smile will help you to negotiate, right? It will help you to bargaining in a very convenient manner with the any honor, I would say. With the smile, if you say anything, easily that people can understand. Yeah. Okay, no issue. You can give me less money for that. It's okay. So it works in a multiple areas. Your smile it works in a multiple areas. It's up to your abilities. How do you use this smile in that situation, right? You can explain anything in the smiley manner, and people can easily understand. Okay, if the somebody are getting so anger due to any reason, your smile will help them to relieve. You can
Right.
reduce their angerness. Many ways you can, many areas you can use this smile. Smile has so much power. So yeah, this is my opinion. Yeah, what is
Yes.
your take on?
Yes. I am totally bored with you. Whatever you like told. Like smile is a very empower, like we can say empowered us like human being. When we are go through any like difficult situation, right? So that time also you can make like small things, like if you keep a smile on your face, right? So if you are go through any situation, then you can handle that situation in very easy manner, right? I you told, if there is any kind of conflict, right? Suppose that there is two people, they have some conflict between them, right? And all of sudden you go there and just you try to make them understand with very calm and quietly, and just keep your smile in front of them, right? Then that conflict can be solved, right?
Hmm.
And if you like start saying something, trying to make understand like forcefully, so that things not that things not work, right? So
Yes.
in many situation and many kind of situation, if you are go through, like as you told, if there is if suppose that you are a businessman, you have your own shop, and there is some customer have came in your store, and if you just keep your smile and behave proper with your customer, then you can make a good customer on your shop. So you can deal with them very easily, right? And you can make a large customer. So these they like your behavior, your smile. Sometimes it tells lots of things. What happened? I can't see you.
You can't see me.
Yes.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I was doing something. Oh my God.
Mm,
Just- I'm not seeing you, and you not seeing me, right? I was
Actually,
checking
I can see myself only, but I can't see you.
now.
No,
Okay, now.
not yet.
Actually, I was seeing views mode. So how it works
Mhm.
now? Can you
So,
see me?
no, something is
Now?
no, something is written in on the screen. Together mode has been enabled for this call.
Okay, now you can see. You just press this, cut this. Now you can see.
No, nothing like
Okay, what happens? Together mode. It's looking. Click
yes,
that. Click
yes.
that. You
I
just
click
click.
I have clicked and it has disappeared now from my screen.
Okay. Your skin is disappear. Right.
I can see myself only.
Okay.
Mm.
Actually, I was checking these settings. Okay. What is this? Because now you
I
can
think
see. Okay. Now you can see me.
no, not yet. I think your screen has been minimized from my
I
side.
I can see you. I can see
But
you.
I can't.
You are smiling now. I can see you.
But I can't see you. Huh? What's happened?
Mm. You tap your camera. Tap your camera.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you tap your camera. Click your camera again.
I clicked many times.
Okay. You click three dot. Three dot. Okay. Three dots, and you see option change view mode. Okay. You
What?
open and
What? Change view mode. Okay.
yes, and you go and you will see view mode. Then you see grid views. Grid,
View or together mode.
yeah, no, grid view. You click that
Okay,
grid.
now it is
Now you
now.
saw me.
Is now
Okay.
you are visible.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
need to learn.
Nothing like that. I'm not going to learn because necessity, if you have some necessity, then that, make you learn everything. If there will be
I learn,
necessity, then you will learn.
I learn these things just now. Okay, and I teach you.
No, actually, when you start using, then you will learn lots of things, right?
Yes. Okay, okay. Sorry for interruption. You were telling me that time.
Yes. Our link has been cut. Yes. So
Okay,
now,
let's see.
uh,
Let's talk something else. Oh my
yes.
God. For what I say 45 minutes, After reaching 45 minutes, I have another session. Okay, we have time. I think we have almost talked 80 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm. 18 minutes.
Yes. And we
Okay.
can cut some minutes
Yes.
like 1 year.
Yeah, we need to cut. Otherwise, no one will, so interest to watch this video. Right.
Of course, yeah. So
So,
yeah, so like did you okay, this is enough. I think this part is enough. Okay, we will reduce